Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Drew in the Moment. We are here on this beautiful morning at Saratoga Springs, the Treehouse Villas. In this video, we're going to show you the Treehouse Villas and show you like all the cool things that are going on here. It's a very, very cool resort, and I can't wait to show you guys. So thank you for checking out the video. If you do enjoy it, we hope you hit that subscribe and follow us on more journeys. But let's go take a peek at this awesome Treehouse Villa. Let's go. Now, this resort is part of Saratoga Springs, but it is in a different area. You actually have to take a different, entrance to get in here. But I did want to let you guys know, we got handicap accessible ramps because they are like up on stilts. Or if you have a lot of luggage, you can obviously use the ramp so you don't have to carry your luggage up some stairs, But man, it's like, it really is, you feel like you're in the woods a little bit. You feel like you're kind of camping. Right over here is one of the villas, but this is our neighbor. This is not where we're staying. We are gonna stay over here to the right. It's kind of tucked back and in. And one of the cool things that I love grilling. Bring your burgers, bring your marshmallows or whatever you want, because they do have charcoal grills. So you'll have to bring your own charcoal and obviously your own food. But I mean, come on, think about it. You can be here grilling up the smell of the charcoal. You know what I'm saying. If you're a charcoal fan, and I really am, that's the way to go. But here is our villa, and it is more spacious, honestly, than I had anticipated. I can't wait to show you when we go in and just show you how much room is actually in there. And I think it's just a roll of the dice. We have one of the tree houses that is right over here on the water. Now, all of that, not all of them have water views, as I'm almost tripping over the over the shrubbery. But it's really cool because, as you can tell this morning, we've got some folks over there fishing. So they do have fishing excursions at Disney. You have to look locations and stuff. But the cool thing about this little water area, this is where the boats come. Now here at the Treehouse Villas, they have a, depending on where you are, you'll have to find the location. But you can jump on one of those boats and take it over to Disney Springs or the Riverside Resort and the French Quarter Resort. And as far as transportation, besides the boat will bring you to those locations, but you'll have to take a bus to get to the park before we jump inside of the room. I did want to show you guys, you got yourself a little patio out here. Now, think about having yourself a cup of coffee, cup of orange juice, sitting out here and watching the boats go by, or people fish, And I do want to let you know, the boats are not running until about 11. So if you're planning on going to Disney Springs or any other, the other resorts I had mentioned, you will have to wait until about 11 o'clock for them to start running. But man, listen to the nature. I'm sure you guys can hear that. I love that sound. Just such a beautiful view. Feeling like you're in nature, But let's get outside, or let's get inside and out of outside. And here we go. Let's check out the villa. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I love the ceilings. What do you think, Queen Bee?
This place is amazing.
Seriously. Oh my goodness. What? Look at the table, and look, somebody brought games. Yeah, that was us. We brought some games because we want to play some games. But we're going to show you around this amazing Treehouse Villa. Show you all of the perks and everything. I mean, look at this marble tabletop here. Now it's really cool though. They got like some good seating. So you can like sit down, chill out while maybe somebody's cooking. Over in the kitchen area, they have a stove. I mean, you need a stove, an oven. They got a microwave, all of those things that not every, room has. Because I've been in rooms that don't even have refrigerators. So come on, come here. Let's see what they have in the cabinets. Because you don't have to bring, your own, plates and things like that. Look at this.
Wow.
You can make your sweet tea, because we are here in Florida. You gotta have your sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
You know what I mean? You gotta have your sweet tea. And in case you like to do some baking, that's a good sign of maybe you can be able to do some baking, because I know, pretty sure they have, well, they got cups.
Oh,
look
wow.
at this. Your coffee mug. I mean, look at that.
How
Three
many
finger.
times?
Three finger.
That's pretty good.
Three finger. And then, for little tiny kids.
Oh, that's so
Look at
cute.
that. That is amazing. That's like one gulp of iced coffee for me. It's just awesome. We got some silverware, and I know these things seem trivial and not that big of a deal, but I'll tell you, when you go on vacation, that is like a big thing where you show up somewhere and then you're like, wait, we don't have forks.
So they have pretty much everything you need.
Pretty much everything you need. And if you wanted to do some baking, check it out. Okay, you got some mixing bowls, and I'm only saying that because I love to bake. I'm a baker by trade. But they have stuff so you can get, creative, bakery-wise. One of my favorite things that's in any hotel room, any resort, is a coffee maker. But also, you don't just get the coffee maker to use. You got yourself some Joffrey's. And if you're like me, big fan of Joffrey's. If you haven't, this is gonna be my moment to tell you, you need to go check out some Joffrey's coffee.
We love our Joffrey's.
Fantastic. You got a big couch over here. Oh my goodness, look at these couch cushions. You got your TV, kick back, relax, just rest your weary feet from a day or days of walking around the parks. So, but great, it's like a great space in here. You can have people eating over there. You can be watching TV. A family member may be cooking something. So I really like this space in here right here. It's like an open concept kind of thing. It can make everybody feel like they're kind of in different rooms, but they feel like they're together at the same time. And little details like this that are just always awesome. Look at this light. It's like a stick, but it's your lamp. And not only do they have that one, they got this cool lamp over here. Look at this. I love that. That is.
Just match the tree house.
I know, it's like a tree house, and they got a big log right here as well. That is so cool. I love that. And they just, the theming in here, you got the artwork that looks like trees. Really nice artwork. You always got to take time just to look at the little things that, make a place special. Like these lights are really cool, and they got kind of going with that sticks or whatever, like branches around it. All right, so now we are on to showing you guys the rooms. This villa has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 tub, and then 1's just stand-up shower. So let's go show you guys that stuff right now. Come on. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Now we're heading into the master bedroom. Oh, look at that. You got a nice little place to study. You got a nice lamp. See? Keeping with that theming. Very cool. Got your TV there. And look at this. Let's turn the light on and show you the Disney magic. When you show up, look at, they got 2 swans kissing. That is awesome. This is a nice big room. Look at the high ceilings. That's what I really love. I love high ceilings. You got your dresser over here. Put all your clothes and all your stuff that you bought from the Disney park. And then they've got the quite a large bathroom in here. It is pretty spacious, and this room does not have the bath It's just a stand-up shower, but it's a really nice stand-up shower, man. Wow, that's really nice. And you got yourself a beautiful view out here. So you can see the boats. I love the headboard on that. It looks like just like an old wooden plank, wouldn't you say?
I would say that.
Yeah. She would definitely say that.
Let's go check out the other room.
Want to go check out the other room? All right, let's go. Walk like an angel.
We gotta go through the kitchen.
We gotta go through the kitchen, yeah. Can you smell the stuff cooking on the stove? I wish it was bacon.
So this is the kids' room.
Yes, and they get a big TV as well. And look, they got bunk beds. I wish this was our room, man.
No,
I want some bunk beds. Look at this. And look, they've got another log in here. Man, it's like a logapalooza. And this is actually really interesting artwork. It almost looks like it's a game. Is that a game?
It's a tray game picture frame.
Say that again?
A game frame picture game, right?
I love it. I love it. I'm gonna have to put that on a t-shirt.
Tray.
It's a game tray picture frame. All right, let's go check out, last but not least, not the bathroom. We'll get to that in just a second. This is the third room. So it is pretty spacious in this villa, man. Oh, look at the artwork too. Believe, imagine, hope, and dream.
Oh. That
is super cute. And I love how they design these beds, you know? Like it's got like the weathered, you know, wood. That looks really cool. It looks like it was like made by a lumberjack, you know?
Well, just make sure not to hurt yourself.
Well, there's no promises here because I am 42, but here, let's give it a whirl. Ready? Make sure I don't hit my ankles. Oh yeah. Now I don't know if I can get up. And this is the second bathroom. Obviously, you guys mostly know what a bathroom looks like, but not each bathroom in these resorts. It's obviously a little bit smaller, but you do get a bathtub in this one. So if you're a bath person, this is gonna be the bathroom that you want. Ooh, it got.
Find something.
What did you find? What did you find? Queen found something.
A secret door.
A secret door? Whoa, and look at that. You got your washer and dryer. Once again, something that can seem trivial until you actually need those things. So that's awesome. So you get yourself all situated to do some laundry. So this resort, this villa is absolutely amazing. And what I want to do is I want to thank Erick White, who has invited us out to stay.
He's a cheater.
And I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is.
Oh, I'm sitting here just so casually playing categories.
Just playing some categories with the fam here. Fantastic.
My family's in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Because they don't want to partake in the video.
No, they made the excuse. They don't want to partake. But so Erica is a DVC member. Now, do you feel like this villa is worth the DVC points?
I absolutely do. If you have people to share it with. If you just have your own family,
yeah.
I mean, maybe if you have a big family, but it is worth the DVC points. I would say if you have family and friends to share.
Family and friends. I love it. I love it. So guys, you heard it from a DVC member.
Yes.
It is totally worth it because you can play games here like this. Get with the family, with your friends. Get your categories on. So you know what? I gotta shut this off because I gotta play a quick game real quick.
Yeah, Drew, you're missing out.
I'm missing out. I gotta play a game.
Veronica's winning, Taylor's cheating, and I'm in the
That's it. I gotta get in there and win. I gotta get in there and win. I just noticed over here we got some hidden Mickeys in the window. See, you always have to, you know, keep an eye out for hidden Mickeys. because they're everywhere. So that's going to do it for the video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was fun to watch. And I hope you get a chance to check out the villas, man. These Treehouse Villas are awesome. They really are. It's super cool. I would stay here again just for the simple fact it's like you're in a treehouse, man. How do you go wrong with that, you know? But thank you again, guys. And until we see you next time, remember, there's only one way to live. It's in the moment.